Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by creating a new project and selecting aspect ratio and resolution. This locks project intent. Import your clips now by dragging them in or using the recorder. This gives you all assets to work with. Once media is in the library, make sure to set frame rate and audio sample rate so exports match delivery requirements. You want consistent settings to avoid re-encoding artifacts. Therefore, organize clips into bins or groups immediately to speed trimming and sequencing. You now shape the story. Drag clips onto the timeline and trim to beats with the razor or trim handles, then ripple delete gaps so timing stays tight. Once arranged, add B-roll and overlays. Use keyframes for simple motion or speed ramps to emphasize action. Apply quick color correction to match shots and reduce audio noise before balancing levels. Make sure to use audio ducking for voice-over so music stays present but not overpowering. This creates professional polish. You finish by previewing the full timeline and fixing any pops or frame glitches. Once satisfied, open export and pick resolution and bitrate that match delivery needs. MP4 with a reasonable bitrate works for most platforms. Export and then verify the final file plays correctly across devices. If export fails or stutters, clear the app cache, restart Clipchamp, or lower export bitrate and try again. These steps resolve most performance and encoding errors, so you can.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.